Hi, thanks for joining me. In this video I'll show you a quick and dirty table saw jointing jig that I'm using to experiment with jointing jigs to find out which one I will invest the time in to make a proper jig. I cut myself a 6-inch piece of MDF and set it up on the against the fence, realizing that I need to shorten it so that I can put a clamp on each end of the fence. Once it was trimmed to the fence length, I clamped it on. I raised the blade to the full height and marked the profile of the riving knife and the blade. I intend to use the riving knife as the outfeed side of the jointing jig. Once it was all marked, I lowered the blade and set it up so that I would be able to cut a full blade width depth into the board. Then I put some fingerboards on to hold the board against the fence. So I turned the saw on and raised the blade to create the recess for the blade. Once I was up to full height, I removed the clamps from the board and pulled the board back to create the recess for the riving knife. After reinstalling the riving knife, I proceeded to clamp everything back in place and try and set it up so that I had about 1/2 millimetre of blade to joint with. Once this was all set up, I removed the fingerboards and put my 4 by 6-inch board up against the jig. I tried to fit a couple of fingerboards on to give me a stable infeed, but that wasn't possible. I'm going to have to get one of the mag switch fingerboards to make that possible. So I just used my fingers as the fingerboard. It took a bit of trial and error to get that feed technique right, but it worked. You can see in this one where I had a little bit of trouble getting the feed right, but I got there in the end. You can see that one didn't quite work out, so I flipped it over and jointed the other side. All in all, this is a very quick method of jointing and worked out very well for me. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you found the video useful.